Hey, and what's up, you guys? It's your girl LaShonda B, and I am back with a new video. As you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be starting my lock journey. You guys know I've been talking about this for a while, and I decided it's time to start it. I'm ready to try something new. Plus I have like 100 and something videos of curly hair routines and videos on my channel for you curly naturals. But yeah, let's get into this video. So the method I'll be using to lock my hair is the 2-strand twist. So I went ahead and blow dried my hair so that I can trim it before locking it. And I'll just go ahead and part off the back section of my hair. We detangle with a comb, and then we're going to get started. After parting the section and detangling it with a comb, we just go in with some trimmers, and we just go ahead and trim as much hair as you think you need to before starting the 2-strand twist. After trimming the ends, I go in with my water bottle filled with olive oil also, and I just spray down the first section that I'm going to be starting with. And then I'm going to go in and add my Neo Curly Leave-In Moisturizer. And this is because my hair is high porosity, so my hair needs moisture. I can't be one of the people who starting their lock journeys and not using a moisturizer because, yeah, like I said, I'm high porosity and my hair needs moisture. So I go in with the Leave-In Moisturizer cream, and I just add a little bit of that to my hair before 2-strand twisting. It is not as much as I usually add, but I thought I'd just go in with a little bit. So you guys, after I go in with the Neo Curly Leave-In Moisturizer, I go in with Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. Now, I've tried locking products from them before and using them on my mate and my son's hair, but I never tried this locking gel, and I absolutely love it. It had my hair soft. It defined the curls well. It didn't even feel like a gel. Usually gels are heavy, but it didn't feel like a gel at all, so I love it. But I go in and start the 2-strand twist and basically split one section in half and just keep twisting and twisting and twisting until you get to the end and the tips of your hair. And while I'm twisting, you guys see I go in with some locking clips, and I do that because I want to elongate my 2-strand twist. I know that it's going to shrink regardless. Locks just shrink regardless. There's no way you can really go around that. But to elongate it and then put weight on it so that like my twist won't be haywire all over my hair. I want it to be flat and laying down and going straight down. So I use that by putting a little weight on the 2-strand twist. Now that you guys have seen the products I've used and the method that I'm going to do to lock my hair, you kind of know how I'm going to go about doing my 2-strand twist throughout this video. So I'm just going to follow the same steps, the same method with the same products throughout my hair, and then I'll be back with you guys. So now I am back, you guys, and this is how my hair is looking fully twisted. And I know some of y'all thinking, why is her twist so big to be starting off with locks? That's because I do not want small locks. I want medium-sized thick locks. That's the look that I'm going for. So that's why I started off with this size. Now, I won't be using this particular product today, but I bought some Loc Grow grease that I also never tried, and I bought some Jamaican black castor oil, and I bought the lemongrass one. This is what helped me with the growth process with my curly hair. Yes, you guys, my hair is fully dry, so I'm going to go in with the Jamaican black castor oil and just apply it to my hair. And if you're also not locking your hair, this is still the perfect protective style for you. I would call this mini twist. So yeah, you can still do this, girls. The curly girls can still achieve this style. But yes, this is the first day of my lock journey. I hope you guys like this video, and just stay tuned to my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and your girl is out. Peace out, y'all.